or use a freestyle. Gradually pour in half the milk and beat until the milk is just incorporated. Okay.
Wait, what does it say? What's the other bit it says? Wait, let's see.
Whisk the egg, vanilla extract, and remaining milk in a separate bowl for a few seconds.
Then just
pour in the flour mixture
and continue beating until incorporated. Great.
Okay, let's just eat. Luna.
Oh my god. Okay. So you got the vanilla extract. One tiny spoon. One tiny.
Look, my reflection is on it, and no. Oh, I got vanilla. I got vanilla extract. Just eat it. It tastes nice.
Yummy.
I told you.
Okay, it's disgusting. I got drool over my hand.
Oh no, I poured too much. Pour in the vanilla extract.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the towel?
Lily the towel.
Where's the freaking towel? Oh my god. I get it in my mouth.
Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Oh
yeah, put milk in.
Yeah, we need to put the egg in it.
Milk.
We need to put the egg in it.
No,
We need to put the egg in it.
we need to
put the egg in it.
We need to pour it in a bowl.
We need to put the egg in it.
Pour it in the bowl. No. I'm a cooking professional.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, pleb.
Excuse me. I cook every single day.
Do you? What do you cook?
I cook.
You cook
chicken
mac and
nuggets.
cheese.
I cook chicken nuggets. What is wrong with you? You just put egg in milk. Ew.
It's not ill. It's
We
how
need
you
this.
make cupcakes.
We need this. You need to put the vanilla extract in.
I've already done.
Okay.
Okay, we've done the milk. We need to pour in some of the milk. That milk. Can you take the camera and show it to the? Can you show it to the? Okay, so I guess
my
we just have to put some in now,
Okay, some.
and then while we're beating it.
Yeah. Oh my. Ew, the yolk is not even mixed. Hey, yo. The yolk isn't even mixed. You're just so dumb.
Oh, let me take the camera.
Ah.
It doesn't look that bad.
Really? Yeah.
Let's fix it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, too much. Oh my god, that was way too much. Oh my god. Okay, what's next?
Let's see.
With the book.
Let's see.
Shut the book. Oh my god, that was so crazy. What is down doing?
Okay, we know what to do. We just have to wait for it to mix really good.
Yeah, it's already mixed. Hey, no, too much. Dude, this is way too much, isn't it? Nah. Helicopter. Oh my god.
Yeah.
What?
Whoa!
I'm not face revealing here. Rude.
It looks good.
Okay.
Wait, show the people.
Yes.
Show the people.
Show the people. Look at
That's
that.
what it's meant to be like.
Yes. It smells like vanilla.
Smells like Lily's arm.
Smells like diarrhea.
Let's taste it.
Okay, what's next?
Wait, we just have to basically take the baby spoon.
Ew.
Take the baby spoon.
No. No, I'm not taking it.
Now, baby spoon.
Okay, fine. What do we need to do?
We just need to try it.
Are you serious right now, Ma? Okay, what's this? Let's take the book. Okay, now let's see what. Okay. Oh my God! I just got on the right page.
I think we need to whisk it more.
No! Literally!
Some of the ingredients are missing.
Okay. Okay, spoon the mixture into the paper cases until 2/3 full and bake the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. Now we've got to put the things. We've got to put the cupcakes in the cupcake thingy.
Oh yeah, wait. Luna was licking me. Hey, you guys want to see a dog reveal?
Dog reveal.
Dog reveal.
Dog. Look at him. Luna.
Aww. It's Spoon. June.
Okay, now what's next? No more mixing! I said no more mixing! I'm crazy! I said no more mixing. How do you turn this thing off?
Hey Lily, let's get copyrighted.
What?
Alexa, play Never Gonna Give You Up.
Turn it up.
Shuffling Never Gonna Give You Up and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Alexa, volume up.
Turn it up.
Alexa, volume up.
Cases, and we're going to be using them.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna go get my mum.
I'm going to put some blue and then some like everything.
You need
Okay.
pink, green, yellow. Okay. I'm gonna go get my mum and ask her if this mix is fine. Mummy! Okay. Get in.
What am I doing?
Checking if the mixture's okay.
Okay, did you do the run the?
We've done everything.
So you did 3 of these for the
Yes,
baking powder?
yes.
Brilliant. Okay, let's have a little look at it.
I put in one of every single color.
Is it fine?
Looks okay to me.
It's fine! You guys, we achieved the unachievable.
Okay, I want to show them the cupcakes.
Wait a second.
Don't reveal my mum.
Okay.
Sorry, don't reveal your mum.
Don't reveal my mum's
Here's
face.
the cupcake thingies, and we're gonna put the cupcakes in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
No! I almost